A pleasant morning to all dear children. I, your EVS teacher, welcome you all to today's online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter 8 recreation. Yesterday we discussed about recreation, need of recreation in our daily life and also how it is helpful to us. In addition to it, we have also seen such activities which we can do for recreation, such as indoor activities. Let us look over it again. Students, I am going to ask you some questions. First one, what is recreation? Children, tell me, what is recreation? Yesterday we have studied about it. Okay, I will tell you and you revise with me again. Recreation is the activity which we do in our free time to make us ourselves enjoy. Understood? Now again repeat with me. Recreation is the activity which we do in our free time to enjoy is called recreation. Understood? Now next question. What is the need of recreation? Why we need to do such activity? Because all of us need a little change in our daily life. We also need some time for ourselves to enjoy. Yes or no? Yes, we need some time for ourselves to enjoy. So for that purpose, we need recreation. How it is helpful to us? It is helpful to us as it refreshes our body and mind. After recreation, we get more energy to do our work well. It makes us feel fresh and happy. Understood? Next question, how can we do this? Yes, we can do this by activities such as indoor activities as well as outdoor activities. Indoor activities we have discussed yesterday. Indoor activities such as singing, dancing, reading books, drawing, painting, doing craft activities, watching television, listening to music, etc. Also, it includes games such as Ludo, chess and caroms. These all games and activities we can do in our home itself. No need of going outside. So, these activities are called as indoor activities. Understood now? Let us see to the next page, outdoor activities. I am reading the paragraph. See, some children like to play outdoors. They like to play cricket and football. They like to ride a bicycle, play on a swing or a seesaw. Outdoor games keep us fit and healthy. Going to picnics and parties with our families and friends, or just spending time with them are some other ways of recreation. Children, what this paragraph means? Outdoor activities also a form of recreation. It is also a way of recreation. It means activity which we are doing outside the house, such as playing in the park. You children always want to be outside the house to play. Yes or no? Yes. You spend most of the time outside the house to play with your friends. You enjoy outside more. You ride a bicycle. You play on a swing or a seesaw in the park. In the picture also you can see the children are playing football. The two children are riding a bicycle, and again the children are on the seesaw. Other examples of this outdoor games can be cricket or football. By doing such activities, we can keep our body fit and healthy. question arises that if we are visiting a shopping mall, does this comes under outdoor activities? Think over it, children. Yes, visiting a shopping mall also is a form of recreation. It is outdoor activity. We are going outside our house with our families and friends to enjoy ourselves. Such as other activities are also there, such as going to the picnics and parties with our families and friends. Yes or no? That is also a type of recreation. Such as some activities I am explaining now. See, we go for a movie, we go for a zoo, fair, exhibition, museum, aquarium, we go to the beach and play, we visit a park with our friends, we go to circus, and also we visit a nature walk. All such activities are coming under outdoor activities, and it is also a form of recreation, as we spend time with our friends and families and we enjoy with them. So not only outdoor games is necessary, outdoor activities is necessary, but indoor activities are also necessary. Outdoor activities keeps us fit and healthy, but also indoor activities and indoor games increases our knowledge. Understood, children? So try to maintain balance between outdoor games and indoor games both. Now next topic is celebration. I am reading the paragraph. See, celebrating weddings, birthday parties and festivals are some happy occasions. We wear new clothes, invite friends and relatives, distribute sweets and gifts, and spend time together with friends and relatives during celebrations. Children, what is celebration now? This is also a form of recreation. It is an activity where we enjoy ourselves, we become happy. What is celebration? When all the family members get together on some special occasion. Now repeat with me, what is celebration? When all the family members get together on some special occasion, that is called celebrations. Here some common celebrations are given: weddings, birthday parties and festivals. Weddings. What is wedding? It is a special day in one's life, a special occasion organized by two families. Everyone has gone to the wedding party, yes or no, for a dinner or lunch? Yes. Wedding is a marriage where a couple married to each other. Okay, now next, birthday parties. Every child is very much excited on the special day of their life. Can you tell me which day? Yes, that is your birthday. Every child seems to be so happy on that day and much more excited. Yes or no? Yes. We celebrate birthday of our beloved ones because birthday are a special day. We arrange party by inviting our friends to enjoy and also our neighbors and relatives. We offer gifts to the birthday person. Yes or no? Yes, we should offer gifts to the birthday person. We also get return gift. Then cake cutting ceremony is done. Everyone dance and sing together, enjoy themselves with the food. Next is festivals. In India, we celebrate many festivals such as Holi, Diwali, Eid, Guru Parv, Christmas and many more. There are numerous festivals in India. We celebrate every festival. Some more about festivals such as Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Next, Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. We decorate lamps, candles. And you children, used to enjoy yourself with firecrackers. At night, we used to worship goddess Lakshmi. Next festival, Eid. It is celebrated by Muslims and they wish each other as Eid Mubarak. In this day, methi sevaiya is offered to the beloved ones. Next festival, Guru Parv. These festivals are celebrated by Sikh people. They go to Gurudwara as it is the day of birthday of the Saint Guru. Langar is organized as the community lunch in Gurudwara. Next festival, Christmas. Everyone will be knowing about Christmas as on this day children will be waiting for their Santa Claus. For what purpose you are waiting for your Santa Claus? For gifts and toys. Yes or no? Yes. It is celebrated on 25th December of every year. This is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas tree is decorated very nicely. So children, we have seen about many festivals. Always remember, whatever festival may be, we should celebrate, enjoy every festival with full of happiness and joy. Yes or no? Yes. Next paragraph. Recreation refreshes us. We feel fresh and relaxed. After recreation, we get back to our routine with interest. Recreation makes us happy. Happiness keeps our mind and body healthy. As I previously said you that recreation is very helpful as it gives break from our routine life. Whatever activity we are doing, if continuously we are doing that activity, we get bored easily, there will be no interest and we will get tired. Our body also needs rest. So after recreation we get more energy to do the work very well and we get back to our work with full energy. We feel relaxed and there will be mental peace. It makes us happy. Happiness makes our mind and body healthy. The more happier we will be, we can make others happy too. Now let us see the next I know points. I am reading it. What we do in our free time to enjoy is called recreation. We do many things to relax and feel fresh. Some children like to play indoor games. Watching TV is also a form of recreation. Some children like to play outdoor games. Outdoor games keep us fit and healthy. Celebrating weddings, birthday parties and festivals are some happy occasions. We feel fresh and relaxed after recreation. This I had read about recreation. Children, I would like to tell you that in the page number 51, there's one question is given. I am reading that question. Write in one sentence what your family members like to do in their free time. I am repeating the question again. See, write in one sentence what your family members like to do in their free time. Got that question? Yes. That will be your activity. You have to complete this question in the textbook itself. So, try to complete the question in the textbook itself. Okay? Today we have seen why recreation is necessary, what all we can do to make ourselves and also others happy. So during this period time, try to be happy and give others also happy. The more happy you will be, the more energy you can do your work, more energy you can put on your work and you can be more concentrate on your work and do both the activities now. But during this time, try to be inside your house and do indoor activities so that you can maintain your peace and happiness both. Not to go outside more, try to be at home and do the activities, a form of recreation. So students, I hope you understood today's chapter. Revise it, go through it. Have a nice day. Thank you.